Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube with easy to memorize algorithms. Okay, let's get started. The first step to solving the Rubik's Cube is to solve a white cross, but on the yellow side. The yellow side is the side with the yellow centerpiece. This is a centerpiece. These are edge pieces. These are corner pieces. So we're going to get all the white edge pieces on this yellow side. Okay? Once you've got that done, you're going to look right at one of the edge pieces and you're going to check for the color that is touching that edge piece. In my case, it is green. So you're going to match it up with the green centerpiece, which is opposite of blue. Just you. Once you find it, you're going to flip it all the way down to the white side. And repeat that with all the rest. Lucky me, the orange is already there. Once you have that done, you are going to rotate your cube to the white side. From there, you have now solved your white cross and all of their centerpieces. Now you're going to solve the corner pieces for the white cross. What you do to solve them is you find a white piece, and then you look at the side touching it that is still facing you. In my case, it is orange. And you take it directly to the orange side. Now, to get the white piece up here, you make it face you. You will move this down. So watch what happens to the green when I do this. You're going to move it down. Now the green is sideways. The other side of the orange is green. You're going to move the green in, and you're going to move it back up. You now have it solved. So we will go on with the others. If one of your pieces is on the bottom, it doesn't really matter. Do the same thing. Move it out of the way. Oops, not wrong way. Make sure you move it the right way when you do it. But instead of flipping it once, you're going to flip it twice and then move it back up. Really simple. Then you find its side to put it in. If one of them is facing right here, you move it out of the way, move it up once, and now you have this right here. So blue, I'm going to move it out, put it in, put it up. Blue, move it out, put it in, put it up. Green, move it out, put it in, put it up. Now you have the front white side solved. For this next part, you're gonna flip it upside down back to the yellow side, and you're gonna solve the second layer. These algorithms are a bit bigger than the other algorithms I'll be using, but you can always write them down or find other ways to memorize them. So what you're gonna do is you're going to find any edge piece that does not have yellow on it. For instance, this one has no yellow. Then you're going to match up its color with its centerpiece, which mine is already done. And then there's an easy algorithm. If the top piece, which is blue for me, goes to the right side, which is blue again, here's the algorithm you will use. Up, right, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, F, right counterclockwise, F counterclockwise, right. And you have magically placed your piece in. Here's another one with no yellow, blue. It is also going to the right. So, up, right, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, F, right counterclockwise, F counterclockwise, right. Now, you will find another one. Green to red. This one is going to the left. It's going to be a little different, but same thing. It's more backwards though. So you're going to do up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, up, left, F counterclockwise, left, F, and left counterclockwise. That is the algorithm. Oh, and look, we already have it right in place for us to go on to the next one. You now have the second layer solved. Now moving on to the third layer. Very easy algorithms. So if you're gonna solve the yellow cross now, and when you're solving a cross, it doesn't technically mean that there will be no corner pieces. The main goal when you're solving a cross is to get the actual cross. So you can ignore all the corner pieces. So like right now, I have one centerpiece. But if there was like a piece here or a piece here or technically anywhere on a corner, it would still just be one white centerpiece. Because you're working on solving this. Anyway, there is 3 things you will usually see when you're trying to solve the cross. One centerpiece, that's what I have. Or you will see like a little birdie beak type thing. Or you will see a bar. It depends where you're starting at during a Rubik's Cube. Let's say if you start right here, you'll most likely see all 3. If you start on the bar, the next move you do is going to get you to the cross. But anyway, point is, when you run into those, the algorithm is the same thing. So, let's get started. What you're going to do first is you're going to twist it F, normal, not counterclockwise. Then this is an easy algorithm. It's up, this way, down, this way. Real easy. If you didn't catch that, I'll do it again. Right, up, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise. Okay, one more time. Ready? This way, this way, this way, this way. Real easy. Then you'll flip back to normal. Now I have the birdie beak type thing. When you have the birdie beak, you're going to send it to the corner, okay? So it's like the birdie beak is opening this way, okay? Like this shape. So if it was down here, like mine was, you'll just move it up there, okay? And then flip it this way, same thing. Okay, flip it back. And I have the bar. If your bar is like this, which I haven't ever seen it like that yet before, but it is possible to have it like this. Well, if your bar is like this, all you have to do is flip it this way. See, I still have the green side facing me. When you pick a side to start with, you want to keep using that side so that you don't get it confused like this. But anyway, so it's right here, and you're going to do the same algorithm. It's really easy. Now, I have the white cross. I mean, the yellow cross. We already went through the white cross. See, this is the white cross, but you just ignore these pieces. Okay, the next part is you're going to look, same thing, this is the exact same thing we did with the white cross. You're going to look at its other side and try and match it up with this. You're going to try and find as many as you have, okay? So this one's not matched up, not matched up, matched up, matched up. What a coincidence. That normally doesn't happen, but that is exactly what you want it to look like. 2 are matched up and 2 are not matched. If you have all 4 matched up, you can skip this part of the section. But this is what you're going to do if you don't. Now, sometimes it's not like this, these two. Sometimes, I've only seen this once or twice, but sometimes you can have like a red and an orange that are matched up. You'll still do the same algorithm, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take both sides and you're going to put one side at the back of you, one side on the right side of you. If, like what I said, red and orange are matched up, you'll put it how I have it now. This one on this side, this one on this side, and same with blue or green. And the algorithm is, you're going to right, and then up, right counterclockwise, up, right, up 2, right counterclockwise. Just take the little guy around the city, okay? Doop, 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 doop. Okay, anyway, that's the algorithm, and now I have all 4 sides matched up. So, now that we have the cross and their sides matched up, it's time to move on the corner pieces. You're almost done solving the Rubik's Cube. You are now going to find a corner piece that is matched up. Not technically matched up. What I mean by matched up is the colors. See, this corner piece right here has a yellow color, an orange color, and a blue color. And look what sides I have. Yellow, blue, orange. So, you need to twist it sideways, while you're solving it. It's a really easy step to do so. But just because it's not facing the right direction, you still have the right colors. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so I have one that's correct. Nope, nope, and nope. If they're all correct, then you can skip this step. If they aren't all correct, this step is very important. You can't really skip it. Well, technically, all the steps are important. If you skip any of them, you might not solve the cube. Anyway, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna try and keep this right here on this side. And sometimes you might have none that are solved. When I say solved, I don't literally mean solved. We've already gone over this. But you might have none that are solved. You're going to do this algorithm anyway, okay? So take the one that is solved, put it on your right side. You're going to right hand twist, right side up, left hand twist, left side up, right hand twist, left side down, left hand twist, left side down. Real easy. And look, this hasn't moved a bit. You might need to repeat this as many times as necessary, but keep this right where it's supposed to be. As you realize, when I do this, this piece is never getting mixed up, which is very convenient for this algorithm, because you're going to need that piece right there. Now I have all 4 that are solved. For the last step, you are going to flip the cube back with the white side up. And you're going to have these 4 all facing down. Okay? Remember that algorithm we went over earlier? This goes up, and then this way, down, this way. You might not remember that, Okay, well anyway, that's what you're going to do this time. It's going to be 2 times, 4 times, or 6 times that you are going to have to do this. Okay? So, up this way, down this way. Okay, that's 2. And I have it solved. See, blue is on the blue side, orange is on the orange side, yellow on the yellow side. Now you're going to take your bottom hand and flip it this way. Okay? And then you're going to repeat. 1, 2. You have now solved the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching, everybody.